Welcome to Daddy Jack's Code with the Blues. So we're taking it back to Dallas, the Big D, with used to be Matt's Ranchero, Matt Martinez. They're a big family down in Austin. They had Martinez restaurant. It was an institution down there. So I used to do different chicken fried steaks, but he did it with ground beef. So I call it a poor man's chicken fried steak. This is a poor Mexican man's chicken fried steak. So, and then we're going to do a, what are you laughing at, Metal?
No, it's me.
B? Okay. Sorry, Metal. So,
Everything I made.
that's right. But I'm going to do a hamburger gravy over the top of it. So, a little bit of chili powder. I had a ground onion in here. Okay. There's a little more salt and pepper on the outside. Flour. Dip it in egg. Back in flour. We'll rinse my hands off real quick. We edit that probably, Glenn.
We will.
Okay, so we have a little bacon grease saved up. It'd be nice to put them there right now. And okay. I'm gonna just brown that up a little bit.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, but for all the doubters out there.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're just gonna brown this up real good, and I'm gonna put a couple of little bit of diced onions and peppers. You know what? Everybody should have one of these. Everybody should have one of these handy dandies. See? Somebody said I was cutting it over a cutting board. No. See, it's going off to the side. Okay? I'm going to rinse the knife off a little bit. Any shavings. Get a bucket and save all these peelings. Peep the skins and everything right in your the freezer. Put them in with your chicken bones. That onions make a nice dark color on your stock. Just gonna do a little bit of multicolored peppers. I'll be back. We're just going to brown it up a little bit. We'll be back in a few minutes. I'll put some onions and peppers in there with it. We'll go right in the oven. Now I'm going to make the chili gravy. Okay, I want it a little finer for the gravy. Ground beef. Throw onions and peppers in there right away. A little bit of chopped garlic. And this is going to be a chili with no tomato product. Just like a Tex-Mex chili gravy. They put on enchiladas. This is what we're going to put on top of the Senor Pobres. Okay. We're going to brown that up real good and we'll be right back. Okay, see we got nice that chili powder, everything, boy, it smells delicious. We got developed that flavor in the bottom of the skillet. We'll get a little bit of flour. That'll be our thickening agent. Put that a little bit. Got a good chicken stock. Got a loose skillet there, Glenn. That one's hit. That was somebody was asking me about this one. They were doing the mushrooms in or something on one recipe. That's gonna hit it. That's gonna have to hit it pretty soon.
Yeah. Time for a new pan.
Delicious. I'll put even just a little bit more chili powder. You know, if you want it hot, you put a little bit of jalapeno, which you probably could have would have used it, or a little red pepper flake. That's it. We're gonna let that just simmer down on the back burner. You know, and it's got enough of flavor. I'm gonna add just a little bit of water just to thin it and let it simmer down. And as soon as that chicken fry is ready, we'll finish it off. We'll be right back. All right, here, let's check out our poor man from Mexico's chicken fried steak. Poor Mexican's chicken fried steak, okay? So here. What I'm gonna do with this. Under the broiler. And I'm gonna get a lot of fat come off of that ground beef. So I'm just going to take a little bit out. Okay. Take some of that chili gravy. Okay, B, you almost ready?
For a taste?
Well, we'll be like
Yeah, I gotta finish this.
2 minutes, 2 seconds. One final test, flavor. A little more, so we don't want to just reduce it down too much that it might separate. But got a nice chili powder, nice chili flavor. And again, you can use some casket bell peppers pureed in there, seasoned powder, green chilies, add green chilies in the sauce, ancho chilies. If you want to eat some, what are those? Poblano for a little bit of heat. What's that at Chipotle? They put in adobo seasoning. We'll put some of that. It's sky's the limit on this gravy. Okay, B. You're gonna be on. Don't forget it's super hot. But I'm gonna put this over here first. Because we need some elbow room here. Okay? This is La Pista.
I'm really excited about this.
Woo! Let me tell you, got a little bit of mashed potato. What else would go good with this? Rice, right? And last but not least, a little bit of onion. Don't forget, it's super hot. Forewarned is fair warned.
Exactly.
You know, you want to stuff it. You want to stuff it with a little bit of like.
I'm getting every piece in this bite.
Better be careful.
No, I mean like every.
I know, but I tell you, man, this stuff is right out of the oven. And what's that? Mexican cheese on the inside, Chihuahua cheese. You wanna?
Absolutely, that is so
You want to
good.
put that inside, you know, instead of American cheese.
Yeah. You can really taste that chili powder. That's really good.
That that chili gravy. They put that over like a cheese enchilada,
Yeah.
chili gravy.
Yeah.
That's big down in Austin.
My mom used to put that over when she made her enchiladas. She would make something like this and put it over. But the enchiladas were always either had chicken, beef, or just cheese
Yep.
and onion.
Man.
Those 2 bites literally just brought me home to my mom. Like, that's so good.
Glenn, we're gonna save you some, guaranteed.
You got it.
But one more, and then I didn't have lunch today.
No, you guys eat it. I had lunch.
Huh?
I had lunch. It's all yours.
Spicy as you want it. You know, watch out for the seasoning, but you have the flavorful gravy, flavors on the hamburger, ground steak. Well, boys, I bring a sweat out to you, but darn good. It's Dave Jacksco with the Blues here, downtown to London. Beautiful downtown to London. Glenn, we can't be where we live right here.
No.
You can look out the window. We got the ocean. You got ferries coming in, ferry boats, tourists coming down through the summer. The sailors, the boat people. We got docked their boats at the marinas around here. Mystic across the bridge. Deepwater port here. Got sub base. Got the future home of the Coast Guard Academy. We hope it's coming. But that's about it. Peace.
Thank you.